Hello my fans, if you still dey struggle for trigonometry, me I don come to come help you. If na new time or first time wey dey come from my channel with this, make you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive notification. And the first thing you do, secondly, first like this video because I know say before I go finish, you go forget to like am. Na share you go wan share that time. I be no wan share am, but try me run am. So wetin we do first? Remember say you wan solve for x. So the first thing we do now na to comot everything wey dey close to x. Both this one, this one, carry them go anywhere where they wan go. Make you for fit get x. Na the idea be that. But you no fit just jack them from like 8.5. You no fit just jack and comot there go another side. You would follow the rules wey maths get. So the first thing I go do, I'll carry this one, -1, cross come this side. I can say 5 cos x plus 8.5 equal to 1. I don't carry -1 cross, make it become +1. You understand? Because when negative cross equality sign change. Another thing I feel that we say add 1 to both sides. So -1 plus 1 don't go. 0 plus 1 now 1. And the best way we dey explain am that I just do and make it this simple for you. Okay, so what will be the next thing? I know say degree is there because this one an angle, but you know go to dey pay attention. We just do quick comot. Now, I no go fit access this x because of these two guys wey dey here. First thing first, comot this 5. How I want to comot this 5? Divide both sides by 5. If I divide both sides by 5, 5 and 5 will cancel. You can leave us with cos x plus 8.5 equal to what will be 1 divided by 5. 5 going into 1, how many times? It's not possible, so you put 0 point. As you put 0 point, 5 will still go inside 1, nothing change. So what you will do, add 0 to this particular one to make am 10. So can 5 go into 10? Yes, how many times? 2 times. So I can get 0.2. You see with that calculator, I don't run that one. I don't even stress myself. That one a long division with that. So what you will do again? Because of this cos, I will just write x plus 8.5 equal to cos inverse of 0.2. But people don't know how that thing really come about. It's simple. Now, just for you to say divide both sides by cos, even though for math, we need to like do all this kind of children department something. So you just divide both sides by cos like this. You barely see them for book anywhere. I just tell you the secret, what really happened there. So this one and this one cancel, come out. If two of them cancel, come out, she mean that x plus 8.5 now will remain equal to this one. Now, it just like a shift 0.2 one side small. What you go remain on top now 1. 1 over cos now the same thing as cos inverse like this. You know negative index or negative exponent now for indices. So that negative sign can change to the reciprocal or the inverse 1 over. So 1 over can as well change to -1. Now be what you see. So 0.2 is shift go that same. See where he can land himself. You understand? So x now plus 8.5 will be equal to what will be the cos inverse of 0.2. We don't get math table like this, so we will use calculator, carry runner. So the first thing I go do, I go press shift, press cos. You go see say for the screen now. For the screen now, you can see cos inverse. So press shift and cos to invoke that particular cos inverse come out. Then come press 0.2. Then press shift equal to, depending on the calculator they use, it will give me 78.4630. I just keep my answer in 4 places of decimal. One after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 places of decimal. Make you no waste our time. So now I define x now to isolate this 8.5. What I mean by isolate 8.5 now to subtract 8.5 from both sides of the equation. So now, or alternatively, you just say carry 8.5 cross go. Since now positive, you go the other side, it will become negative. I can get 78.4630 minus 8.5. So if you remove 8.5, inside this 78.4630, which will give you now 69. So x now will give you 69.9630. So if you want to keep the answer to the nearest whole number, then the answer will become 1 from 9. Add to this 69 give you 70 degrees. That's to the nearest whole number. So the value of this particular x now for this place now 70 degrees. Me, I know say you enjoy this particular video as I take explainer. But if you come out, you know subscribe, you come out, you know like. You subscribe, no subscribe again, no subscribe again. Then you subscribe 2 times. But if you know like and you know share am, you know even kuku drop comment to tell me say this thing go well. You know try now, you know try. You know try. I mean talk sweet thing for comment section, make the thing sweet me for body. And don't forget to share before you come out. Yeah, beg God will bless you. Me, I don't come out tomorrow, go find another thing. This thing go dey swift to why people, jam people, 100 level people, even people they do maths, we love maths, go dey swift to you. I beg don't forget to share. I don't come out, tomorrow go find another one what I go do for you. Peace and love.